Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another product video for SoundStore XL. My name is Chris and I have brought one of the most sexy products from our shelves. It's a cleaner fluid from ADJ. Cleaner fluid for smoke machines. What it does is you take out the tube from your normal container, put it into the flask, run it through. That's it. Very, very simple. If you are not 100% sure of what I'm telling you, it says so on the container as well. Usually, we recommend that you use the cleaner fluid every third time you use the smoke machine. But if you are looking to store your smoke machine for more than 3 weeks or 4 weeks, we really do recommend you do it one more time before you put it in the attic or in a warehouse. That way, we will save more smoke machines. And that's something that SoundStore XL loves. Thank you for watching.